The overall goal of this procedure is to establish a physiological model of noxious bladder pain in mice. During the entire procedure, body temperature is maintained with a heating pad and overhead radiant heater. The first step in the surgery is to insert a catheter into the urethra of the anesthetized mouse. The second step is to make an incision to expose the left abdominal muscle. The third step is to take a bite of muscle using a 21 gauge needle. A bent silver wire electrode is then fed into the needle. The needle is then pulled back through the muscle, leaving the wire in the muscle. This process is repeated for a second silver wire electrode. The fourth step is to place a ground wire into the mouse's chest. The fifth step, now that the surgery has been completed, is to distend the bladder and record the EMG responses. This is done by first connecting the 3 silver wire electrodes to an amplifier and digitizer to record the visceromotor response, or VMR. Next, the bladder catheter is connected to a time pressure regulator and air tank to deliver specific stimuli that distend the bladder with different pressures. At 15 millimeters of mercury, no VMR is recorded. However, at 30, 45, and 60 millimeters of mercury, the VMR increases with increasing pressure. When plotted, you can see a graded stepwise increase in the normalized VMR with increase.